Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is essential for everyone. How to make others love and respect you, all through the lens of Buddhism. Whether you are looking to improve friendships, family bonds, or professional relationships, Buddhism offers profound insights that can guide you. Let's explore how compassion, mindfulness, and understanding can help you cultivate these qualities in your life. Understanding compassion. First and foremost, let's talk about compassion, or karuna. This is a core principle in Buddhism. The Buddha once said, "As a mother would protect her only child, even at the risk of her own life, so one should cultivate an unbounded heart towards all living beings." This means that to foster love and respect, you need to genuinely care for others. It's about recognizing the suffering in the world and wanting to alleviate it. When you show kindness and concern, people feel valued. Imagine a time when someone showed you compassion. How did that make you feel? When you practice compassion, you create a safe space for others, and they naturally respond with love and respect. Cultivate loving kindness. Start by wishing happiness and well-being not just for your friends and family, but for everyone, including those you may find difficult. You can do this through simple meditation, or even just silently thinking good thoughts about others. When you approach the world with loving kindness, you attract positivity. People are drawn to those who uplift them, and in turn, they will treat you with love and respect. Practice mindfulness. Now, let's talk about mindfulness. Being present is crucial. The Buddha once said, "When you realize how perfect everything is, you will tilt your head back and laugh at the sky." This emphasizes the importance of being fully engaged in the moment. When you practice mindfulness, you listen deeply to others and pay attention to their feelings. This kind of attention shows that you genuinely value them. Put away distractions, like your phone, when you're talking to someone. By being fully present, you demonstrate respect for their time and feelings. As a result, others will feel more connected to you and are more likely to respond with love and respect. Embrace no attachment. One of the most profound teachings in Buddhism is about no attachment. The Buddha taught, attachment leads to suffering. While it is natural to want love and respect, clinging too tightly to these desires can lead to disappointment. When you let go of the need for constant approval, you become more authentic. People appreciate genuineness and are drawn to those who are true to themselves. Instead of trying to impress others, focus on being yourself. This authenticity creates a solid foundation for relationships, and respect often follows naturally. Show gratitude. Gratitude is another powerful tool in building connections. The Buddha emphasized the importance of recognizing the good in others. When you express gratitude, you create a positive atmosphere. Try this simple exercise. Each day, think of 3 things you appreciate about the people in your life. It could be a kind word, an action they took, or just their presence. Expressing this gratitude can significantly strengthen your relationships. A simple thank you can go a long way in making others feel valued and respected. Practice forgiveness. Let's move on to forgiveness. Holding on to anger or resentment can create barriers in your relationships. The Buddha wisely said, "Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die." When you practice forgiveness, you release negative feelings that can weigh you down. This doesn't mean you approve wrong actions. It means you choose to let go for your own peace of mind. By forgiving, you create space for healing and understanding. This opens the door for love and respect to flourish in your relationships. Engage in self-reflection. Self-awareness is essential. The Buddha said, "You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection." This reminds us to treat ourselves with kindness and respect. Take time for self-reflection. Consider your actions and how they impact others. Are you being the kind of person you want to attract? By understanding yourself better, you can improve how you relate to others. When you show love and respect for yourself, it naturally flows into your relationships, encouraging others to do the same. Build a community of support. Finally, surround yourself with a community that shares these values. The Buddha taught that we are influenced by those we spend time with. Seek out friends and mentors who embody compassion, mindfulness, and respect. When you build a supportive community, you reinforce these positive behaviors in yourself and others. Together, you can inspire each other to grow and cultivate love and respect. Making others love and respect you is not about manipulation. It's about cultivating genuine connections through love, kindness, humility, and authenticity. Embracing Buddhism's teachings encourages us to radiate positive energy, which naturally attracts respect and love from others. Remember Buddha's words, "In a few short years, these bodies will lie in the ground, but the true friend is the one who stands by you and reflects your light." So, as you embark on this journey of self-improvement and relationship building, be mindful of your actions and intentions. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on living a mindful life. Until next time, may you find love and respect in abundance, starting from within.